Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey Partha. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing our first program in Java. So, how to write program, first program. So, I want to print or I want my computer to print one statement. That is my requirement. That is what I want. So now I have to speak with my computer to print one statement. How I can speak? Let us see. I want my computer to print one statement. That statement is, okay, I'll tell. This statement, I want my computer to print. How? So, any statement if I want to print, I have to put it in double quotes, in bracket, and to print any statement, I have to use one statement called System.out.println or print, whatever it means. So this is the statement to print one statement in your computer. If I write like this, will it print in the computer? If it is any other programming language, it might print. If I write in other language, but because it is Java, only writing this statement will not help. Whatever statement we are going to print or whatever instructions we are giving to computer, that should be kept inside one method. When I say inside, you have to put it inside two flower brackets. Two flower brackets inside whatever we write, that is the instruction. So all the instructions should be given inside one method. Public static void main, which will accept string array of args. So this is called one method, public static void main. Basically this is called main method. So from this main method only your program execution will start. So whatever instructions you are going to type, everything should be inside this main method. Without this main method, it is like main gate for a college. Without main gate, no person can enter inside the college. So this is the main gate. So if I execute like this, will this execute? No. You have to do another last step. That is, you have to write this method inside one class. Something called as class. For that class, you have to give one name. Any name you can give. Maybe I'll give Partha. One class. Inside this class, we have to write one method. Inside that method, you have to write the instruction. If I write like this in the computer, writing meaning we have to communicate. Like this, if I give it to computer, this is the instruction, one of the instruction. This if I give it to the computer, your computer will actually give the output. You want to see how? Let's see. Alright, now let us see how we can actually give that instruction to the computer. To write that instruction, take notepad. I'll use this tool to write my instruction. Write your instruction, whatever instruction you want to write, that you write here. As discussed, I want to print something, so I'll type System.out.println. Inside that, I'll keep hey Partha, something like this. I'll keep and this has to be kept inside one function, correct? That function, it is a main method, you all know. Public static void main, which will allow string array of args. So inside main method we have the instruction, and this method has to kept inside something called as class. Class example, demo, whatever it may be, you can keep any name, but make sure the first letter should be capital. That's it. Class demo. Okay, let's keep our channel name only, Parda. So this is the function. Save it, but here while saving, remember one thing, save it in any one particular folder. Remember that path where you have saved. I am saving it in Java programs, which is in desktop, and the name you have to give, always you have to give the class name. Whatever you had given in the class name, that only you have to give, and you have to save it with .java extension. This is the requirement while saving. Class name .java, and click on save. It will be saved. Let's see. Let's go there and see that file. Desktop Java programs, and yes, it has been saved with Java extension. Now how we can actually run this, how we will give this code. Now we have the code, we have to give it to the computer, right? So how? It can be only possible with command prompt. So open your command prompt, type cmd, and command prompt looks something like this. Whatever instructions we'll give here, it will actually give these instructions to processor. So command prompt we have to use to communicate with computers. For typing something in command prompt, you have to make sure Java is installed in your computer. Then only it can understand Java. Your computer don't know Java, you have to install Java in it. How you can install? Just click on the link which is showing on the screen. So if you have Java, type Java. If it comes like that, you have Java in your system. If you don't have Java, it will show Java is not recognizable, something like that. Now we have the Java, right? Now I want to communicate, I want to give that instruction to that. So where we have saved desktop Java programs? No. C users, Phoebus, OneDrive, desktop Java programs, right? You have to go to that particular path. You have to go to that path to access this file. So we are at in command prompt, we are at Phoebus. We have to change the directory cd. You have to give the command like this, cd OneDrive. If I remember properly, OneDrive is what I have remember. Cool. We are in OneDrive now. Now again we have to change the path to desktop. Cool. Now again we have to change it to Java programs. Cool. Inside that you will be having that particular file. So instead of changing the path, coming to the particular file path like this, you can directly come to the path using a simple process. For that, close this, just click select all, delete, and type cmd here and click on enter. It will take you to that particular path here. Now we are at the desired path where we have a Java file. Now we have the source file, we have to give it to the compiler, right? So how we can give? There is one instruction called javac, Java compiler, and give the file name. Example, sorry, demo, I guess. Sorry, Parda is what we have said. Sorry, Parda. dot java we have saved. If it comes like this, meaning your program is error free, it don't have any error. Now it got compiled, and after compiling, actually it has to give the output. It will give the output if the language is any other programming language. Because it is Java, it will not give the output directly, because in Java, instead of converting the programming language directly into machine level language, it first converts into assembly level language or intermediate level language. I'll show you. Here, previously, if you can see, there is only source file, Java source file. But now, after compiling, it is we have class file. See, before we don't have class file. You can see timing also. You can see just now only it got created. You can see the time just now it got created. So I'll open this. You can see that as well. See, this is assembly level language. Either human can't understand this, and computers also can't understand this. What is the why Java created this? That I'll discuss in separate video. Don't worry. But first, it will be converted into this class file. That class file we have to actually give it to Java JVM. What is? Don't worry about the terminology what I'm using right now. So Java, I have to give the file name. We are giving this particular file to the JVM. So parda.class you can give, or if you don't give the name also it's fine. Tada, we got the output. Hey Partha. See, that's what we have written in the Java file, right? If you have doubt, you can change. You can write the normal hello world, which will print hello world. You can save that. It is saved, and again you can give the updated file to compiler, Java's compiler. It got compiled. Again, one new class.file. It only got modified. See the time. This I have modified and modified just now. 17. Cool. So it got modified. It class file has been generated. Now let's give that to JVM. Click on enter. Tada. So like this, you can communicate with computer using JVM. So I hope you have understood how the program executed in the system. I'll see you all in next video. Until then, do what you love or love what you do. Thank you.